Welcome.
Thank you.
Now I go not.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
IGBO now.
I'm a kind of I say, Omenala dino. Biko Biko attacker.
It's about
Mention them.
Attacker, Biko Biko,
Isobo. Hello. Thank you. Fine, sir. Aqualua.
No.
Aqualua can make it. Elua. Amuga I can Elua. Yeah, okay, Chief.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Now I go not.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
IGBO now.
I'm a kind of I say, Omenala dino.
Na so.
Ibonine na suno.
No.
Chief.
People.
Thank you, Chief.
I go Bodo.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. All right, sir. I don't know.
Okay.
All right, I have your Biko Biko.
Okay. Hey, Biko
Biko. All right, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Everyone knows in the Cross River. It's so hot.
Oledo na cross river.
Two cross river. This Biko and
Attack. Okay.
we have Okwenyin. We have a Keriko. We have a so that the other side. In fact, three are here. Then we have Zomesu. Zomesu is also here, but part of them are here. Then we have Ndoka. We have Nekash. And the other part of Iko.
Okay.
We have Okwenyin. So precisely now, we have Otaka and Biko Biko and the so that the other way. So
Three are here.
Yes.
Isoda, Otaka, and Biko Biko. Okay. Cable Isoda.
But the fact that we call join it because of time frame.
Okay.
They are even suggesting, the chiefs are suggesting, if this time is not too conducive for you, they can come in the month tomorrow because they have waited for more than 3 hours.
I got you. I'm sorry. I am very, very sorry. All time, we are coming from Port Harcourt to Owerri, so the road is not really funny, but definitely.
But for what you are coming to cover, will this time be enough for you to go?
If I don't finish then tomorrow morning, because after the
sighting of your
yes, after the commissioning, then we still come here, then pick up one or two things. What will there's the traditional foundation. It is not. We are not looking for foreign things. We are looking for foundational traditional foundation of Isobo. So and from the information IG or Biko Biko with the head, Akajuafo. So those things we have achieved in order to unify all of us, in order to bring. Yes, when we talk Isobo, we are not just talking about Otaka.
Yes.
We are talking about Isobo.
General
Isobo. So because there are many things that we have in park. There are many things. All these things you are seeing is just a tip of an iceberg.
Yes.
We are here for total unification of the whole Igbo speaking people. And once that's light is beamed here, more things will be coming.
Because
sometimes because I'm going to now win the Igbo. So I want them to
because of that.
Okay.
We ready to come in?
Tell us when we are ready.